Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Battery Hacker channel. Today we're talking about something super useful, the TowerTop 2, 15, and 25 amps car battery charger. If you've ever struggled with a dead battery, or just want a smart way to keep your battery in good shape, this might be what you need. Let's check out what this charger can do, its features, pros and cons, and finally, I'll share some honest thoughts based on experience. Specifications and features. So first, what's this charger all about? It works with both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries. It has 4 charging levels, 2, 15, 25, and an auto mode. You can use it on many types of batteries, like car, motorcycle, RV, boat, or even lithium and lead-acid batteries. It has a big clear LCD screen that shows you what's going on. There's a winter mode to help in cold weather. It has a repair mode to bring weak batteries back to life. There's also an engine start mode to help you jumpstart your car in about 100 seconds. And yes, safety features are built in, like spark protection and reverse connection warning. Personal experience and real talk. I've been using this charger for a while now, and honestly it's super easy to use. I tested it on my car battery that had been sitting for a month, and it charged it fully in under 4 hours on the 25 amp setting. What I liked most. I didn't have to press anything, the charger started on its own after 30 seconds. And when the battery was full, it went into a safe mode to keep it healthy without overcharging. The repair mode also helped bring back an old battery that wouldn't hold a charge. It didn't make it brand new, but it definitely improved it. Pros and cons. Pros. Fast charging. Works on many battery types. Helpful repair and winter modes. Easy to use with automatic features. Safe to leave on for long charging. Cons. It won't fix a totally dead battery. Not waterproof, better for indoor use. So, is the TowerTop charger worth it? If you have more than one vehicle, or just want a charger that can do more than the basic ones, this is a solid choice. It's safe, smart, and saves time. Whether you're storing a battery or trying to jumpstart your car, it gives you options. If you want to buy or read more about it, you click the link below given in the description. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching Battery Hacker. I'll see you in the next video.